We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you by Visitor Security Services. Mfowethu igama ubani uthini ngomdlalo?
Vincent.
Vincent siyaxolisa mfowethu ukumisa isikhathi eside ungaphatheka. Ubalekile siyakuthanda.
Angiyakuthanda.
Siyabonga mfowethu. Uthini ngomdlalo namhlanje?
I want to take you to the previous game.
Yes.
Our previous game, there was a combination between Ndlovu and Mshishi.
Beautiful combination.
In the second half.
Yeah.
So, namhlanje uthomile kabona.
Yes.
Today uthomile kaNdlovu.
Yeah.
Ashiya Mshishi kanje.
Yes.
There are we split that combination.
Yeah.
Athiya Matthews amya kanjani.
Yes.
Anya gore Matthews atatoba
Impact player.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And in football,
Yes. Yeah.
this guy, Coach Arina,
Yes.
he prefer foreign players than
Local players.
local players.
Ubani.
Remember last week, second half,
Yeah.
we play on Mzansi.
Yeah.
It was only Leon and
Yes.
Allende.
Yes.
But we play beautiful football.
Yeah.
So now you can't put Kulise or Mushishi, you will connect
To connect Ali man. To connect Ali one is one. Yeah.
So no, Roro Kitima
Urutora man.
Satrian,
Urutora man.
Satir Kitima Matthews, Santos, King into Arvanion.
Next.
How well I was already.
Yeah.
You must go back home.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah.
I want to know
Urazama ya coach.
to the no
Oh, Racing.
to the coming future.
Yes. Yeah.
The likes of Mukwele.
Yes.
Asiba for our responsibility in the first half for
Yeah.
fight.
Yes.
You must bring them
Gagabena.
like against Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
You bring them and they show
And they
us.
change the game.
Yes.
Yes.
Aba bring room.
Yes.
They give us something.
Yes.
Why today you give us them first half?
Aye man.
Uchoring.
I have to look at you.
There's something going on.
Yes.
Casandos.
Yes, I see me.
Yes, I see.
Yeah. No. We talk football SA. We talk football SA. We talk football SA.
I don't want to